poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today I am going to be unboxing a slime package from the Sloomoo Institute, which is a new slime museum that opened up in New York City, and it's super cool. I cannot wait to go. If you'd like, you can actually meet me at the Sloomoo Institute. I'm going to be there December 10th through the 13th. So on the 10th and the 11th, I'll be making slime in the little window cutout, so you can literally see me as you're walking by the store. And then on the 12th and the 13th, the slime is going to be available for sale, so I'll be there, and if you want me to sign your slime or take pictures with you, I am going to be there and available, honey. I am so excited. They literally have slime in every corner. You could just go up and poke it and play with it. It's super cool. There's also like a slime drop where they literally drop slime on you. You wear like a poncho and stuff so you don't get dirty though. And there is also Lake Sloomoo, which is basically just a huge lake of slime that you get to walk over, and you get to walk over squishies as well. There's like ASMR everywhere. It's so cool. You can even film your own Instagram video there. This video is definitely not sponsored, but the box was gifted to me to promote the museum. I am literally so stoked about this. If you're ready to see what's in the box, let's get started, shall we? Alrighty, so let's get to the unboxing. I love the box. The packaging is literally gold. It's super bright, but the post office totally messed it up and wrote all over it. I'm so sad about that. Can anyone answer why the post office does these type of things? Like, do they not know that people spend hard-earned money on these kind of boxes and you're just gonna write all over it? I'm just saying. It's definitely not the end of the world, but to the Sloomoo team, thank you for sending me this box, first of all, and secondly, I am sorry that the post office just completely messed it up. It's so bright and beautiful and they had to go and write on it. So right at the top of the box, it has Sloomoo's Instagram and their hashtag, so you can use their hashtag if you're filming their slimes and stuff. And then I opened the package, and of course, super bright inside as well. I love it. It also came with two Elmer's glow-in-the-dark glues. Actually, one of them glow-in-the-dark, the other one's metallic, and you know, we stand Elmer's on this channel, okay? And of course there was slime in this package as well. The first one that I saw was this one here. This one is called Hot Diggity Dog, and it is a DIY clay slime scented like French baguette, which smells super nice. It's like a buttery bread type scent, and I love the way that it's marbled. It's actually a cloud cream, and it's marbled with like a tan color and also red and yellow to represent like ketchup and mustard. And then on the side here, it actually came with the clay piece that you get to mix into your slime. So this is the hot dog here. Mine came with a little mustard swirl, and I just think it's so adorable. Going back to the package, we also had a little gift in here from a clothing company called Distilled, and they actually sent us all in this package here a shirt, and it's actually a Sloomoo collaboration shirt. So it has the Sloomoo character on it, it's tie-dye, and it's super cool. I love this so much. Okay, so I am rocking the Sloomoo shirt right now. It has a little Sloomoo on the side right here, if you can see. It is so comfy. I love it so much. I guess I should like step back, maybe even stand up and show y'all. I guess I can't, but it's a nice shirt. It actually fits really nice. I love the little Sloomoo character here. Super bright and colorful, and I love it. Of course, no slime package is complete without some type of activator, so they actually have pre-made activator in a little spritz bottle so that you can spray as you need it. Also in the package was a book here called Ultimate Slime, and it has a bunch of slime recipes, and apparently they are all borax free. I have never seen this book before in my life, so I'm really excited to read it and to get some new recipes and maybe even test them out here. Let me know if y'all want me to test out some recipes here on my YouTube channel. I just think it's super cool, and I wish there were more slime recipe books, honestly. Next up in this box, there was actually a pack of Sloomoo themed stickers. If you don't know, Sloomoo is actually slime. Just replace the vowels of slime, which is the I and the E, with OO. So you get Sloomoo. And the Sloomoo team created a whole character, and I think it's so adorable. They have merch for it. It's super, super cute. Also included is this fragrance oil here. It's actually called Kitten Fur, and it's from Demeter, if I'm not mistaken. This is actually it came in a rollerball like fragrance bottle, so you could just like roll it on your skin if you wanted to do that. And of course, the Sloomoo team included a handwritten note in here. So it says on the note here, "Dear Joseph, we were excited to share with you that we open our new space soon on October 25th. Spoiler alert, it's open now. Because we love your slime so much, we want to send you 2 of ours and our cute tie-dye tee design with the brand Distilled. Along with the fragrance we love by Demeter and a few of our other favorite things, we hope to see you soon at Sloomoo, and y'all definitely will." And lastly, included in this package is another slime, which I was super, super excited for because it's so colorful. This one is called Sloomoo Swirl, and it's obviously inspired by their character called Sloomoo. And this one smells like Fruity Pebbles. It is a butter slime texture, so it's very clay heavy and dense, and I love that so much. It's literally one of my favorite slimes. Alrighty y'all, well that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know if you plan on going to Sloomoo and if you're gonna go see me there. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!